Good day, I'm Niew and I will be introducing our group project, which is Autonomous Wiping Machine Solar Panel Cleaner. Solar farms are able to produce clean electricity but require high maintenance costs. Solar panels that are exposed to open air are prone to accumulate dust and dirt that will reduce its efficiency in generating the electricity. High human labor force is needed if cleaning the solar panel with a primitive method of manually cleaning. So the problem we need to solve are what can be done to maintain the efficiency of the solar panels, how to clean the solar panel efficiently, and how to reduce the human labor force in cleaning solar panels. The objectives of the projects are to design an efficient cleaning system for solar panels, to maintain the efficiency of the solar panels, and to reduce the human labor forces required in cleaning solar panels.
This is our group 3D design for wiping machine using Tinkercad. The brush will move up to down to clean the PV panels with the connection of stepper motor, sliding wheel, gear belt, and motor brushes. The black box is our circuit box, while the blue color below it is the water nozzle. So then the frame will move to the next part once the particular column is cleaned. This movement is controlled by the wheel, the frame wheel with DC motor frame wheel on the frame rail. Then as you can see, the blue cylinder is the connection to the water house.
The machine will start working after the start button has been pressed. So after the start button is pressed, it will go to the brushing sequence, where the brush will move to the initial position first and then dispense the water out from the nozzle. After that, the brush will start rotating and moving from the top of the frame to the bottom of the frame. And when it reaches the bottom, it will stop rotating the brush. And after that, the LiDAR sensor will check that whether the frame have already reached the end of the PV panels. If it's not, it will move to the next unclean portion of the PV panels and start the brushing sequence again. And if it yes, it will stop the process.
The circuit simulation for this project will be done in Tinkercad, so the servo motor will be represented as the water pump. Let's start the simulation. So in the switch is off position, so now nothing is moving. Once we switch on, these two stepper motor will bring the brush from bottom to top of the PV panel. Once it reaches the top, the water pump will start pumping the water, and then the brush will moving, and then these two stepper motor will slowly bring the brush from top to bottom. Once it's done cleaning the section, these four wheels will move the machine across the PV panel and repeat the cleaning sequence again. Pump water, brushing from top to bottom. So now let's say the machine reaches the end of the panel, it will continue cleaning the last sequence. Pump water, brushing from top to bottom, and then it should be stopped. Now we'll be switching off and then move the machine to across the next PV panel to be cleaned. Let's say we reset the position. Now let's start the switch again. It should be continue moving, cleaning, repeat the cleaning sequence again. Move the brush to the top of PV panel, pump water, brushing slowly from top to bottom. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you.